provide them R&D lab and infrastructure. But now time has been changed. We have so many people in India now. Indian government, they make a very flexible copyright patent procedure. So you youth, everyone now can do the patent and copyright in a very easy form. And India, this government, Narendra Modi government, is give the opportunity to each and every researcher of the India. Now once they apply for the copyright patent, they do not face the international standard, because you are Indian, you apply in India, and definitely you will get the copyright if there's no, if it is your original research. But unfortunately in India, more than 75% patent and copyright is applied by the either NRIs or either foreigners. They want to work in India. So it is just little bit out from the sports, but I have to share with you the golden opportunity is knocking for all of us. Yeah, Rachna.
Thank you, sir. Welcome for being with us today.
Thank you.
Now, with the rapid, today the topic for discussion is COVID impact on sports after COVID-19. So let us see what sir will share his views on it. I would just to brief the current scenario of the sports globally. With the rapid spread of dangers to public health posed by COVID-19, governments across the world have implemented social distancing measures and travel constraints to limit the spread of virus. These circumstances had led the mass cancellation or postponement of national and international sporting events across the world. Athletics like sports, football, badminton, cricket, hockey, boxing, golf, and many other sports have been affected. The, the key revenue generation for sports bodies is through licensing of television broadcasting rights. It is likely that most sporting bodies will face financial hits. Indian cricket would also be relatively better placed. Now, even the Summer Olympics, world most watched sporting broadcasts, have been pushed back by a year. The global value of the sports industry was estimated to be $471 billion in 2018, and the increase by 45% since 2011. And before COVID, the trajectory seemed upwards. Every part of sporting chain has been affected. The three main sources of income for sports were from the broadcasting on the television, the commercials which they used to get, and the match day revenue they used to generate. For sports, more the eyeballs on the product, the more value it is. Global value of sports media rights is around $50 billion, but 60% of that is accounted for by just 10 major leading sports in India. So with this was the general scenario, the facts and figures of sports, which is currently being highlighted by Indian Express. So with this, I would come to the first with Mr. Dev Arora. So we would like to know how sports transformed your life.
It's not my life. It's a life of the
One second,
millions of
sir.
people.
One second. I would request all, if you just pin on the pin video, there's a dot, 3 dots on the upper side. If you pin that, you can have a speaker's view. So that from my side, I have done, but if you all pin that, you will be able to see Dev Arora sir properly. Yes, sir. Start.
Yeah, so it has changed the life of so many millions of people, maybe players or thousands of players.
Individual, your life.
Individual, I am enjoying.
Okay.
Because I'm in a sports education, not in the playing.
Correct.
So yeah, it's give the drastic effect, and definitely it give the some golden opportunity for the people. See, every destruction have a construction.
Correct.
If we see the result of Nagasaki, Hiroshima, then now Japan is a superpower. If some of us knows our grandparents, they came from old Punjab in 1947 and then 1984. So many destruction happen in the life of the people, some twice and some once in a life. But if they have a guts to overcome, they have a positive attitude, then no one can stop them to run his or her life in her or his own way. So king always king wherever they were.
So the choice is on us whether we can create a new life or we can destroy our life.
Yeah.
Just thinking.
So Rachana, you are one of the example. It's a very brave lady. That's why I respect you lots. And so many people
Thank you,
knows
sir.
you. And as you see the principle, the post principle, it is specially for the women's because everybody knows she is a Ashtbhuja Dharni. Huh? She can handle the everything.
So ऐसा कुछ नहीं है.
So see, there is some reason behind it. That's why then in lots of the Indian schools, the heading by the female principal, and we have to respect. Now, come on the point, this COVID-19, yes, it's true that there is some destruction. Some of the big organization, they are suffering anticipated revenue, not loss, because already they earn a lots $1 billion. They have a bank account and FDs, so no need worry for survival for them. Yes, worry for survival. Those are doing a work in a day and get their meals in the evening. The question of survival for those only. So here, if we talk about the sports, only touchable sports will be affected up to minimum 2 to 3 years, like cricket, like football, hockey, and this boxing, wrestling, where people have to touch to each other. And now you see the Ludo start again at home. Huh? We all are
Correct.
enjoying. And the most fantastic thing is now kitty party is on the Zoom. And now those are the
So we
men's
have
are
also
here.
played. So we have also played Treasure Hunt, Antakshari, and
Yeah.
Pantakshari,
Yes.
Housey on Zoom. So you
So
just have
these
to be
things.
innovative. You can be a
Yes.
innovator.
So I was so happy once kitty party is conducted on the Zoom, because it's our duty to carry our females toward hotel or that venue, then go back, then again come carry again. So save our petrol, time, and energy. And change and you can see that. So things. What are the positive? We save more than 1 lakh crore rupees for the Nirmal Ganga project. Everybody saw the photo of Ganga and Yamuna. We save the trillion of rupees to protect our environment, because there was a big hole in the ozone layer of this blue planet, and now it is automatically repaired its own self healing by this mother earth. And we see the other so many things, the migration of our students toward European country, towards Australia, then America, it stopped at least 2 to 3 years. And data said that more than 3 lakh boys and girls every year move to abroad, and their expenses minimum 50 lakh rupees. So plenty of amount is saved as a foreign exchange. Now petrol consumption is reduced. Yeah, thanks to the government, they open the wine shops or deliver the salary of the government people. That's it's just a fun, but it happened. They increase the 70% rates on their liquors. Thing is different. It come back on our topic that sports, yes, the sports like badminton, table tennis, athlete, and personal practice are continue. Just 3 days back, I had in a webinar with the one of the big company of India, SG. You heard about the name of SG Sports. Their balls always used in the IPL and test matches. They're meant for the quality. The Paras Anand, one of the directors there, he was with me. He said the training instruments are continue, the coaches are continue, teachers are continue, the practice on the individual basis are continue. So we add the terms, then we heard about the Eklavya. Everybody we heard about. Then Eklavya did his self practice and become a big archer than Arjuna. Arjuna was study in the university, organized five-star university with the all equipment. But ultimately, the self-study and self-practice make Eklavya best than Arjuna. So this time comes to be a Eklavya for the individual sports person. They cannot relax their veins just to COVID. They have to maintain their practice, so that cannot forget once the situation become a normal. So indoor games will be continue, and maybe swimming will not accept it because anything can be happen. So where is the crowd or anything comes, then that will be not continue at least 3 year, minimum 3 year. So playing sports is separate part. Now I come on the sports education program. It is continued because this is the right time to unlock
So I
our
will come
skill,
back to that
develop the
question.
skill. Yeah.
So I will come back to that question. Before
Yes.
that, I would like to ask you, like as a SPA is a concerned sports association academy,
Yeah.
concerned with the kids or it is concerned with the which program you offer for the sports as a career?
Yes.
So does SPA is concerned with the kids as well? First, we would like to know that.
Okay. So for the kids up to age of 10 or 12 year, we do not have any program.
Okay, so you are basically dealing with the program as a career, you are saying. Okay.
Yes.
So now
Yes.
being a president, can you give some suggestion on how to parents and children should be motivated towards sports? Because most of the time when we see if a child is very sporty, we usually discourage the child not to focus on sports and we always say focus on your academics, it will help you more. So being a mother of a 18-year-old son, when my son, he is a totally a sporty boy, like he can play 24 by 7. So I somehow focus that sports will not help you that much. You need to focus. So what suggestion you would like to give as a for the parents? How important parents and most of the educationists are also here. Many schools also they are just focusing on the academics. Due to X, Y, Z reasons, they are not able to focus on the sports. So, for parents as well as the edu leaders, we have edu leaders pan India who have joined this session. So, we would like your suggestion that how we should motivate them.
See, the fear, there is one word as fear. The fear of unemployment. No father want to see his or her son will struggle in whole life like him or her. That fear of unemployment always and always discourage to the youth, and they wish to encourage them to go for the study, take some degree, and you will get a job for your bread and butter, 9 to 5 job for the bread and butter. But I am bring you a very good news, and it is very late in India. As all we know, in 1982, India organized a big event, that Asiad 82. On that moment, some of the people they raised the voice, we have to have develop a program which organize this sports event. On 1982, the organizer for that event they came from UK to organize the event, and out of 100% revenue, more than 60% revenue they go back to the UK itself as the salary or remuneration of the resource persons. So struggle start from 1982, and then you see the budget of more than 20,000 crore rupees Commonwealth game, the Commonwealth. It's the playing game of the Commonwealth. So 20,000 crore rupees are not a small amount. In this, they can generate this value, this amount or remuneration for the youth of India. And still on that moment, the spark comes in our mind when IPL started in India. They again, for organizing of IPL, then Lalit Modi gave the contract to one of the British company to organize the IPL. So fund is rent revenue generated in India and it is drained to abroad or rest of the world. Then that big question raised on the organizer of IPL. Why you give money out? And he gave the answer, India do not have this kind of program. So why we have to import resource person to organize the event from abroad. But once I was a director in that Modi group in Modi Nagar near Delhi, then I got opportunity to meet with that person. He's a very passionate about doing different in the world. Then he pin out us, you professor wrote so many things, get registered, wrote research paper, but they are useless. You have to develop the course for the youth of India, which should be employable, and it is the true contribution for the country. So they give me a words: employable, economical, employable educational program. And everybody knows, all our principal educator, if you ask from the 100 students from class 12, you want to make your career in sports or Bollywood or any engineer or doctor, so damn sure everybody agree with me that only 10% student will agree for the engineer and doctor, and rest of will want to go for the develop their career in a sports. And
I
now they have
agree.
a plenty of opportunity. They can go for the BBA in sports management, BTech in sports technology, and this MTech in sports technology, and PhD also, MBA also, to become a big manager, franchisee manager. And from last 10 years, the sports industry, they develop 400 times revenue foreign exchange for the country. If we have to go in this phase, COVID-19, 1 and 2 year, in which country, more than 180 countries. Meerut is the city. It's called the city. It's called the capital of sports capital of India. So there, so many exporter, they sports more than 100 plus countries. So opportunity is wide, and so many people, Ukraine, Armenia, as you Rachana saw in the sports fair, so many foreigners comes to us to spy India, and they want to land it themselves in India, and they told India is the largest placement provider in our sports. So no fear for that. The sports, earlier only education have a option one, and now sports has a option two, but we can say education is the option 1A and sports is the option 1B, and together you can develop your goals. That's it.
So I would like you to put more focus on this sports education which you are talking about. What is the minimum age group? So little more highlight if you do, so it will help the educators also if they want to introduce this in their school or parents want to introduce. So if you can just brief more about the age group and all.
Yeah, it's once the student came in class 9, then you can suggest them 40-hour in a year program. 40-hour in a year can be feasible as per your along with other syllabus. It kept it as a one subject, and more than 75% student after 12 they go for the traditional education due to lack of finance. After 12 they go for the BA BCom, which fees is annual fees is 2000 to 5000 rupees per year, and only 25% their parents are strong, they go for the other education, BBA and all, and only 5% goes for the engineering, and only 1% goes for the medical. And everybody knows the fees of medical is more than 1 crore for MBBS. Again, if you want to make his career, again he need a 1.5 crore, means 2.5 crore you have to invest or expense or waste for the making a doctor. For engineer, you need 10 lakh minimum, and again above 50 lakh for the master degree. But in this sports program, just invest only 40,000 or 1,20,000 for 3 year program, and same he will get the good opportunity to start with the 50 to 20,000 rupees. After BBA and after MBA, he can start his career as a 25 to 50,000 rupees. And basic, once we suggest to career to anyone, career, we have to take only FIT in keep in our mind. Finance, being a father, we all are a teacher, and along with teacher, we are a parent also. So first we check the finance, how much finance we have. Second is again very important, the interest of your word. Is he is interested to become an engineer, as you take a example from a Three Idiot movie. So if interest is strong in of your word, then definitely he will success, because he will take ownership. I choose this my career. Now he or she will prove to their parents I will be success. If we force to our kids, they can take a very wrong step, which will very painful for the every parents. And third is a T for trained. Don't go for the old things that you become a doctor only, become engineer only. There's a plenty of opportunity. You see the film of Faltu, and the painter, that's you can be artist, you can be singer, musician composer, then director of the movies can be helpful for them, and another digital marketing, crafting, mac, animation, where that boy and girl can use his interest with the skill. So interest, finance, interest, and train. These three things keep in your mind once you suggest to anybody. And once you ask which institution, then definitely you can connect me further and with the reference of Rachna Rajka. Yes, Rachna, over to you.
That's great, sir. Now, as you were discussing, the question which came to my mind was you said 40 hours training or 40 days training. So
In a
the
year,
yeah, so the next question which came to my mind, two questions I will be asking that the 40 hours training or 40 days training, is it online
classroom only.
classroom training? So is it
Yeah,
online or how do we go about it? And
both.
as you mentioned, like the start is 15 to 20,000, and it
Yes.
can go higher to what?
Sky is the limit.
Okay.
Yeah.
But usually, suppose if a person does your course and starts with 15 to 20,000, so over the period of 4 to 5 years, what level can he reach?
If he completed his master degree, he can go abroad, or then you see the so many sports manager, they earn more than 20 lakh, 30 lakh rupees per annum. Simple BA and have this certificate program, 1 year certificate program. They are a manager of the national, this basketball academy. Because now for this 1 and 2 year, we can make it mute. I am taking the example of the before March 2020. So those did this program, they are enjoying. And you see, $200 per day given by the Lalit Modi to the person those organized this event. They came from Australia, boys and girls. $200 per day multiplied by 100 days contract for organizing this IPL. So $20,000 means multiply by 70 rupees. 14 lakh rupees the boys and girl earn for 100 days, and their perks living in the five-star hotel with the teams, that is totally perks. It's extra from this amount. If $200 per month will be earned by our youngster, I'm talking about the rural area, semi-urban area, and those know the value of single money. So this is the 14 to 15,000 is a big boon for them, even then in very low investment. That's called real ROTI, ROTI, return on time and investment. So real ROTI they can enjoy with this
Oh,
amount
that's
of the
lovely.
earning. Yeah.
Now, the question which I had put up was that, as you said, both classroom and online. So,
Online and physical
yeah.
classroom,
So,
but nowadays online can we prefer?
yeah. So post COVID, if anybody wants to enroll, so how do you conduct this classroom sessions? Do you have
Yeah.
tie-ups? Do you have tie-ups in majority of the places, cities, town, or how?
Slowly it is spreading, because
Okay.
our first terms interest, if that school, that academy, they have interest in themselves to run this program, then our authorities will allow them to start this program.
Okay.
We never ever convince to anybody, just we said go and research on it. If your gut feeling allow you, then you start.
Oh, that's great. Now, one question is, what are the qualities you will look for that a person should possess to become a sports management teacher?
One
What?
word: passion.
Okay. Passion to do anything.
Passion.
Correct.
Yes, he want to live a life, and he want motivate to others to live and enjoy your life. He or she belong to BTech, MTech, MSc, BSc, B.Ed, whatever, age whatever. I have one fellow with me, age is 70 years. Then once he start to taking the subject of sports management, he said, on that my time, I did that, did that, did that. So that passion is very important. Stream whatever he have. We have a online teaching program which ministry allow us. and ministry reduce the fees. It is a pain for my pocket, but I'm happy that so many teachers are enrolled in this online teaching program, because like a short of B.Ed. So any stream, they have master degree, age 25-year minimum required, and you see the coming time for the online teaching. After the school, at home, you can teach. Not only in Indian student, but also you can teach the student from Armenia, as we have a tie-up. We have tie-up with Dubai also. We have tie-up with the New Zealand. I said from last 40 days, I signed more than 10 plus foreign university. Now their eyes on the Indian boys and girls, they are not coming to their country. They're damn sure about this. Because of passport wale ab nahi allow ho rahe
Correct.
hain. They are
And
worried for their revenue.
correct. And as you said, ministry has reduced the fee structure.
Yeah.
Just off the line question, why is ministry not reducing their thing? They want their tax, they opened up all the liquor shops. They are not reducing that.
See,
They are not making internet free, they are not making electricity free, they are not waiving off the loan amount for waiving of the interest on loan amount. So why the government ministry is only focusing the educators to reduce the fee structure, not to pay and they are also you can say they are also asking the parents also not to pay the fees for the schools, and when all the educators are working 24/7. So I think it's time for all educators to tweet this and make our voice reach there. What do you say on it, sir?
yes, because very close to Delhi, with UGC, AICT, and the other bodies, we are talking continue, but government is very strict on it. In Delhi, the APJ school is sealed because he asking for the fees.
Oh,
Already they have a fill of full pocket. So one solution which our association will give to the government, then you reduce the 30% salary of your government teachers, and that salary you give the private school teachers. So they just thumb to hum like this, hum. So it means that strike in their mind, because they are already going to reduce the 30% DA, HRA of the MLAs and MPs. So
correct.
they sacrificed that bill advisories issues and that done. So again, the burdens already for the Janta only. We call Janta, we are taxpayer. So you have to give a tax only. Then fees from parents, yeah, truly it is not justify if as a parent, but again, truly don't force to the private schools also to pay the all things. But if be honest, we everyone, then big shot have a big saving. If they broke that saving to save the life of thousand people, India have a lots of money, lots of
How many
money. You know, plenty
people
of
have
money
saved?
India
We
have
also
a.
know. How
Yeah,
many people have
everybody
saved?
knows. So this is a
Everybody
will.
knows.
You see, I am hats off to our gurdwaras also. Hats off the gurdwara. Not only in India, in world, the US, UK, Europe, you saw Bangla Sahib Gurdwara. Then commissioner, police, everybody take the parikrama of Gurdwara and salute 1 lakh people daily. And we never ever want to show anybody else.
Correct.
So this is the thing, ultimate will, big will is required.
So, sir, my last question with you is what message you wish to give to the parents and youth of India during COVID-19?
Yes, it's a real good. The first thing, as a Maslow hierarchy need, some of the management guys, I'm a management learner, the Maslow hierarchy need have a one pyramid, you can triangular of the pyramid. The bottom of pyramid required, if I talk about the Stone Age, pure water and pure oxygen. That this Mother Earth is already restored for you or for me also. Now you can see Ganga, Jamuna and pollution, each and everything. The people start laughing. अब तो हमें न्यूयॉर्क भी दिखाई देने लग गया है, हाँ? नॉर्थ पोल भी दिखाई दे रहा है सबको. मुंबई भी कितना क्लीन हो गया होगा. So and here in Delhi, Yamuna is very pure. So 1 lakh crore rupees they save. Ganga Nirmal Yojana program. and our college applied for that particular 25-kilometer area, one of the Hindon River, very polluted river, because that river is in the industrial area side. Most of the industries are nearby that Hindon. So that Hindon River, now government stops our funding. They're not giving to us. They said, अब तो काम हो गया भाई, अब हमें कोई सफाई नहीं करानी. So health is a very first priority for each and every individual, and not only his or her, but padosi also, neighbor also. This corona give a very good impact to everyone कि अगर पड़ोसी को हो गया तो आप भी नहीं बचेंगे. So take care of each other, which is very important. And always say the health means H for live at your happy home, and A for avoid outing. And I make this health and yeah, eat healthy, and A for avoid outing, and L is the learning. This is the time of the learning. We have to start learn and update our skills. So many education tools are developed through by UGC, FICCI, FIO. More than 100 mails I receive every day and spread my students, my faculty member, learn this, learn this, learn this. Everything is free of cost up to 30th of June. So we have a time to upgrade ourselves and be ready with the weapons which require after 6 months, which is online teaching for the teachers. We must learn this all things. Today, Rachna learn, me learn, we lots of learn. The kitty parties on the Zoom, then fantastic things are happen. People enjoying if they want to enjoy. Critics never enjoy their life because they always see the what is the bad in the things. And L
To
learning
take out
and
the
T
good,
for
to
think
take out the
positive.
good. Sir,
Yeah, take out. Yes, it depends. वो मक्खी होती है गंदे जख्म पर बैठती है और मधुमक्खी फूलों पर बैठती है. So it depends. Yeah, T for think positive, and last H again helps others. Helps others to save country, and once we help others, we help ourselves also. So maintain the health is very important. Don't be panic. Be positive. और बच्चों के पास सब हो गया है कि जिस मोबाइल को धक्के देकर क्लासरूम से निकाला गया था आज वही बूम हो गया.
correct.
हाँ, कल का yesterday I was in a one webinar, then parent asked कि स्क्रीन पर फर्क आ रहा है बच्चे की, वो प्रॉब्लम है, टाइम बहुत ज्यादा हो जाता है. I said उसको सब्जी बनाकर दे दो और पबजी दे दो. अब पूछो फिर क्या वो सब्जी खाएगा कि पबजी खेलेगा.
No, but sir, we had a session with an eye surgeon day before
Yes.
yesterday, and see, most of us we are spending so much time on screen, and especially on mobile, which has got a smaller screen, and it is really affecting our eyes. So, like few years, like there's a concept online teaching, but now when we are totally online, people are really fed up, and the most affected part, the most important casualties is our eyes. So we need to keep a balance. We need to keep a balance. See, once the lockdown is over, so we need to keep a balance. What can be done offline and what online can be done.
See,
yeah.
आप सभी टीचर्स हैं, तो टीचर से आके कंप्लेन करते हैं माताएं मम्मियां, ये मोबाइल नहीं छोड़ता है और अंदर अंदर खुश होती हैं. अब टीचर ने कहा देखो भाई हम स्कूल में तो लाने नहीं देते हैं, घर में आप छोड़ता नहीं है और बड़ी खुश भी होती है. कोई रिश्तेदार आएगा, रिलेटिव आएगा, देखो मुझे चलाना नहीं आता, ये छोटी सी 1 साल 2 साल की है, इसको आता चलाना. ऑन दैट टाइम दे फील प्राउड ऑन इट. हाँ, अब हमने टीचर ने कहा भाई चलो ठीक है, तुम्हारे बच्चे को मोबाइल पसंद है तो करने देते हैं, उसको मोबाइल में क्लास होने देते हैं. और आपको याद होगा जो 11th 12th 9th 10th के स्टूडेंट्स टीचर बैठे हैं, लास्ट बेंच वाले पबजी खेल रहे होते हैं. यस, जस्ट से स्माइल. हाँ, आई कैन अंडरस्टैंड. सो वो पबजी और सब्जी, अच्छी वाली सब्जी बना के दे दो, नहीं खाएंगे, पबजी जरूर खेल लेंगे. तब उन्हें कोई फर्क नहीं आया, कोई आंखों में दर्द नहीं हुआ. अब लाल नीले पीले हरे गुलाबी को बोल दिया कि भाई तेरे को मोबाइल में पढ़ना है, डिजिटलाइजेशन हो गया है, सब हो गया है, देन पेन स्टार्ट, बिकॉज़ ये कंपलसरी हो गया है. आप बच्चे को बोलो बेटा 500 रुपए मिलेंगे.
Sir, human tendency, we accept as per our requirement and what we like.
Yeah, what we feel easy, we accept.
Yeah, correct.
Yes.
So thank you so much, sir, for such an enriching session and highlighting the alternate career in sports management.
Yeah.
and in such a simple words of Fit India and Real Roti. I really liked your concept of FIT India and Real Roti concept and
Yeah.
career in
Return
sports
of time and
management.
investment. Everybody is doing work for the roti. You and
Yes,
me, everybody.
yes, and this Real Roti concept was too good. So your host Rachna Bhimrajka signing off. Stay tuned for my next rapid talk with Rachna coming soon. In the meanwhile, stay home, stay safe.
Very nice.
Namaste. And thank you so much,
Yes.
Dev sir.
We must, everybody. We must be safe. This is my message to entire world. Namaste.
Namaste.
Yes.
Thank you.
पंजाब वाला
Thank you so much,
सैनिटाइजर
sir.
मत लगाना.
कौन सा सैनिटाइजर सर?
पंजाब का सैनिटाइजर आ गया
It's
है.
very useful. It's very useful, sir. You know,
Which one?
you don't know better. Punjab.
नहीं, only Punjab knows better.
That's
दिल्ली
why
वाले
आपने
कंप्लेन, किसी ने भी कंप्लेन नहीं की 70% रेट बढ़ गए. नो वन. टमाटर प्याज के रेट बढ़ गए तो झंडे उल्टे हो जाते हैं.
ना सर, हम तो खुद
So,
बना रहे हैं.
हाँ, be must everybody. MAST is my punchline, punch mantra to manage always stress and time. Be must. Good luck. Jai Hind.
जय
Thank
हिंद
you.
सर.
Jai Hind, sir.
Yeah.